Here we got a cracker video for you. The old healing bench. JIS screwdrivers. PH2. Got a drywall screw. Drywall screw should be PH2. A little bit loose in the socket, but you can do that. Not too bad. JIS doesn't really fit. Now we got a Japanese screw. Oops, wrong screwdriver. Japanese screwdriver. Nothing to it. And then for fun, this nothing screw. China screw. Stainless steel, it should be good quality, but I guess it's not. So there you go, people. Japanese industrial standard. Next time you're working on your motorcycle.